Think you are brave? Try the rooftop challenge tonight and prove it. Only the fearless can finish it.
Whoa! That looks amazing! Relax, Julie. They are just having fun.
Someone could fall.
Stop worrying. I know what I'm doing.
Joy, what are you watching? Nothing, Mom. Just cartoons. All right, but don't spend too much time on your phone. Dinner will be ready soon.
Please don't copy that challenge.
Shh. Don't tell Mom.
But it isn't safe. I'm not doing anything. I'm only watching.
Joy, please pay attention to the lesson.
Sorry.
Look at this rooftop challenge. We're doing it tonight. Come with us and prove you're brave.
Only brave kids can finish it. Don't be scared, Joy.
So, meet up with us tonight. Bring your phone. We're gonna record everything.
Maybe I can do it too.
Joy! Tonight is the night. The abandoned building is perfect. Nobody goes there anymore. We'll climb to the rooftop and film the whole thing.
There are warning signs all around that place. So what? That just makes for an even better video. I don't know. It looks dangerous.
Are you scared?
No, I'm not scared.
Then come with us.
Someone might get hurt.
Fine. I'll do it.
Meet us outside at 11.
Sure. I'll be out there.
Joy, where are you going tonight?
Nowhere.
I heard Jack talking about a building.
You heard nothing.
Please don't go.
You're very quiet tonight, Joy.
I'm just tired, Dad.
Is something bothering you? No. Everything is fine.
Mom, Joy is hiding.
Julie!
She's joking.
Joy, you know you can always tell us the truth.
I know, Mom. I'll go quickly, finish the challenge, and come straight back.
Joy? Why are you awake?
Where are you going?
There he is.
I knew you wouldn't chicken out.
Come on. We're almost there.
This place looks worse than it did in the video. That's what makes it exciting.
Police car!
This is getting worse. Be quiet. Don't move. Who's over there?
That sign says no entry.
It's just there to scare people.
Maybe people aren't supposed to enter because the building could collapse. Stay close together.
Smile, Joy. The camera is already recording. Turn that off. This is the challenge. Keep moving!
Whoa!
Careful.
This roof isn't safe. All you have to do is walk to the other side and back. No, this is enough. I'm leaving. But the video isn't finished. Everyone is watching you now. Fine. One time. Then we leave.
Come on. We need to get out before anyone sees us.
We cannot leave Joy here.
Daisy is right. We need an adult.
I'm not getting arrested because of this.
Mom! Julie? What happened? Joy is gone. What do you mean, gone? Ugh. He went outside. I tried to stop him.
What's happening?
Joy left the house. Julie, tell us everything you know. They were talking about an old building and a rooftop challenge.
I'm calling the police.
Hello? My son is missing. His name is Joy. We believe he went to an abandoned building with some friends.
Everyone turn off your phones. Delete the videos.
No. The video can show where Joy is.
We're gonna be in huge trouble.
I don't care. Joy needs help. Hello? Please help us. Our friend is trapped on the roof of the old abandoned building near 5th Street.
Help! Somebody help me!
They're coming.
Joy! Joy! Mom! I'm up here.
Hold on, son. Don't move! Everyone stay back! We're bringing a ladder up!
That's okay. Keep holding the railing. I'm coming to you. Take my hand. I've got you.
Oh, thank goodness.
Mom, Dad, I'm sorry.
You're safe. That's what matters right now. We were terrified, Joy.
Why did you go? I wanted everyone to think I was brave.
Dangerous online challenges can become real emergencies very quickly. No video, like, or view is worth risking your life.
I thought people would respect me if I finished it.
People who care about you will never ask you to put yourself in danger to prove something.
Real courage is knowing when to say no.
It's walking away when something is unsafe, even if other people laugh at you.
And asking for help when you need it.
I promise.